Hey WooCommerce store owners, tired of constantly diving into your dashboard to check your sales? Feeling like you're drowning in data and missing out on crucial insights? I get it. Running an online store is like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. You need every edge you can get. That's where sales report emails for WooCommerce comes in. This extension is your personal sales data guru, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you informed. My name is Kevin, and this is Sleekr Digital. We're talking automated reports delivered straight to your inbox, daily, weekly, or monthly. Think of it as your morning coffee, but instead of caffeine jitters, you get actionable insights on your store's performance. Key features include scheduled reports via email, daily, weekly, or monthly reporting options, customizable email recipients and formats, and sales trends and revenue tracking. With this extension, you can ditch those endless dashboard dives and focus on what really matters: growing your business. Make informed decisions, spot trends, and boost your revenue, all without lifting a finger after the initial setup. In this course, we'll show you how to unlock the power of sales report emails. We will cover everything from setting it up and configuring it to customizing the look and content of the reports. We'll cover everything from enabling the extension to customizing the design and content. Also, we will help you fix any problems. So if your sales reports are not being delivered to you, we will help you to find out what is happening. So grab a cup of coffee or maybe a sales report and let's dive in.